Flash and fire point test of bitumen. The Cleveland Open Cup tester is used for the test. Flash point is the lowest temperature at which this vapor gets ignited with an instant flame. Fire point is the lowest temperature at which the bituminous material gets ignited and burns. Knowing the flash and fire point temperatures can decrease the possibility of bituminous ignition during its transportation and storage. Now we can see how to perform flash and fire point test. Fill the test cup with liquefied bitumen until the filling line level. Place the thermometer vertically in the test cup. Switch on the open cup tester. Utilize the regulator to apply heat. When the test temperature rises, use the heater control knob to reduce heat. At 28 degrees Celsius below the expected flash point, move the test flame. Every time the sample temperature rises by 2 degrees Celsius, the test flame must pass over the sample. Record the temperature at which the fire appears instantly above the bitumen surface as the flash point. Once you reach the flash point, continue to heat the sample to determine the fire point. Record the temperature at which the flame appears over the surface of bitumen and maintain at least 5 seconds. Calculations. Result. The flash point is 284 degrees Celsius. The fire point is 332 degrees Celsius.